the second down and 5. Miller the block at the left tackle. They dump it underneath. Nice hard run right there after the catch by Jacobs. Flag is thrown. Works his way to the 39. Trent a gain of 9 on that play.
Well, and I'm not going to be surprised here if they don't call this on Jacobs, because the offensive player can be called for leading with the helmet also. Using the helmet as a weapon.
Watch how far Denard goes back. Holy smokes.
Personal foul, lowering the head and initiating contact. Offense number 28. 15-yard penalty, second down.
Trent, you called it. And let's go to our rules analyst, Gene's territory. Gene, walk us through this one.